This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at advanced micro devices. So as we zoom into recent price action, you can see how it broke out, the stock broke out to new record high recently, pulled back to test support, and now is rallying higher. The next higher target zone based on these two Fibonacci level extension levels is around 192.66 up to 194.35. However, in the short term, we also have a potentially bearish day. We had one here too, so it has to have follow through, but it's something to be watched, especially since the market overall seems to be getting a bit extended. And certainly you can see how far price has risen away from the 20 period moving average now. So that's also a sign of getting extended as well as the extension on the relative strength index. So that means a breakout above today's high, we could consider relatively bullish. If it follows through and doesn't pull back right away, 184.92 is a high, and a breakdown at 177.63 could lead to more weakening. It wouldn't be surprising if a wider correction starts in the market that AMD comes with it to some degree and tests this 20 moving average, the purple line right here, which is currently around 154.02. However, we're a little bit early. We got a little more to go before that's been determined. The second stock I want to look at today is Nvidia. Now, Nvidia also broke out to new highs recently and took off, and you can see on the breakout day, at a wide range day, closed near the high, and then we had pretty much immediate follow through. It's been on a steady climb all the way up. And so now, however, we are at an area of possible resistance, beginning with the completion of the ABCD pattern here, which is an extended target of 161.8% Fibonacci ratio at $633.23. Now, we got pretty close, so that could be it. That could be the test right there, 628. 49. So that may be close enough. And then there's also a 227.2% Fibonacci extension here at 643.04. So right between 633 to 643 is the next potential resistance zone. We potentially have are pretty extended on NVIDIA as well, given the relative strength index, but by itself not enough. Today we have an inside day following yesterday's relatively weak close in the lower half of the day's range. So that means that an inside day being a form of consolidation, if we get an upside trigger and there's follow through, maybe the trend is going to continue to that next target. If we get a downside trigger, then below today's low of 608.50, then it could lead to further weakness. But really, yesterday's low of 599.38, a break of that is going to be a more clear indication of further weakness. That is it for NVIDIA and AMD traders. Have a great Friday.